Life can get really busy during the semester, trying to balance school with your life responsibilities while maintaining your well-being. A wellness coach can provide one-on-one support to help you work towards your personal and academic goals. We can help you with things like stress management and coping skills, time management skills, and connecting with other resources on campus and in the community. We can also provide you with a referral to counseling services on campus, which can help you if you need a little bit more in-depth mental health support. To book an appointment with a wellness coach, visit us in the Student Services office in room 1-753, or you can call or email us to book the appointment. Also be sure to check out the events page throughout the semester to keep up to date with all the different fun activities, workshops, and events that will be going on all semester to help you balance your wellness.